How to install the Reddit app on your mobile phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, if you're using an Android phone, head over to your Play Store. If you're on your iPhone, head over to your App Store. After you are in the store, tap on the search bar and type in Reddit and search for it. In the search result, you'll see the app with this kind of logo over here. After you find this app, in the right hand side, you can see the install button in your Android phone. If you're on your iPhone, you will see the get button. In order to install this app into your phone, you need to tap on this. So tap on this button. The download process will now begin. It might take few moments depending on your internet connection speed. After the app is installed, you will see this open button in the right hand side. You can directly launch this app from here. So tap on open. It will launch the app. It will take you to this login page of the Reddit app. From here, you can create your account and start using this Reddit app on your phone. So that's it. That's a very easy process of installing the Reddit app on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.